guest. Um, Bubbly, energetic, vivacious. I would like to introduce myself with it. I'm Nalini Jaswani and I hail from the roots from Calcutta, one of the most beautiful and old city of India. I pursued my schooling from St. Teresa's Secondary School and college from South City College. I was an athletic person since childhood. I was fond of rowing, swimming, but now due to lack of time, I am content with only 20 minutes of yoga. I am an avid reader and love listening to music. Commencing forward, I cleared my CFA exams and joined Microsec Capital Limited. It's an IB and a stockbroking company there in Calcutta, which gave me insight about all the financials and the experience of stockbroking and IB industry. 2 years back, I moved to Delhi to join Eli Global as M&A analyst. Unfortunately, I had to leave my family and stay alone. But I learned a lot of things. I became independent, and life threw a lot of challenges on me. So I became independent and managed things all by myself. Last month, I joined Sun Capital Advisors as a senior manager in debt syndication, where my company had given me this opportunity to handle end-to-end debt and equity deals from origination to execution. Going forward, I expect to add value to the company and bring blockbuster deals on the table and learn to handle challenges which comes my way. Eventually, I expect to earn name and fame in the field of finance and make my parents proud. I also intend to serve the society and associate for uplifting the underprivileged. Now comes the time to present my family members. My family consists of my mom, dad, brother, sister, and a small nephew. We have a close-knit family, and my mom is dearest of all. Her virtues are embedded in me, and people say that I have inherited her looks. So she is my first teacher since birth and taught me basics of important understandings of life. I feel immense pleasure to let you meet with my next family member, my father. He has been a fitness freak, and I have imbibed those fitness freak things in myself. He believes in getting up early in the morning and going for morning walk. So he understands that he's confident of proven habit that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. And he taught me that mind, body, and soul should be fit to overcome challenges in life. Both my mom and dad are health conscious, and that habit has percolated down to me. I take great pride in introducing my elder brother. He is pillar of strength and created in me versatility of thoughts. He is working with Hinduja Finance as a portfolio manager. My sister-in-law is working with Mahindra Landscapes as VP Finance. We share immense affection and respect for each other. I even have a twin sister working in Contagious as a business analyst. Hey, do you all know that she looks like me? So if suppose she comes, and replaces me on my behalf, don't be strange. So he's quite, we are quite identical, but our habits and personality are quite different. And lastly comes the dearest of all, my darling nephew. He is 8 years old, and he's a born cricketer. He eats, sleeps, drinks cricket. A hardcore cricket fan. He's crazy, energetic, but shy when he meets new people. He can sometimes be very stubborn and eccentric. I know through dedication and perseverance, I can achieve my goals in life, and I believe in dreams and pursue my life to achieve it. And that's what makes me alive. Otherwise, life would be a broken winged bird that cannot fly. I look forward to each and every day with a smile. There are certain psychological conjecture that I would be completely convinced is that if I can imagine it, I can achieve it. And if I can dream it, I can become it, by William Arthur Ward. I am still learning the ropes of life, but one thing is that I believe strongly is living life with a smile. Thank you for your patience hearing.